Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I have a very interesting story. Another reaction video to adult children story or adult children book, whatever you want to call it. I believe it's called Parody. The link to the original video will be in the description. It's narrated by Foolery. If you're sensitive, skip this one. You understand? Just remember, this is fiction. It's just for us to enjoy, laugh, cry if you want to. It's just for fun. Now, enjoy the story.
Story time with Foolery presents.
Foolery.
Would you like to play
else,
with
man.
my ass? This may sound a little bit crass, but would you like to play with my ass? My ass is big, my ass is strong. When you play with my ass, you are never wrong. My ass is firm, my ass is wiggly. But if it eats too much, it can get jiggly. My ass is the best at show. Every time I bring out my ass, it gets a lot of dough. If my ass doesn't move, don't give it lip. Just give it a nice, hard whip. Sometimes you just need to give my ass a little kick. Don't worry, my ass is just extra thick. This ass is tasty and sweet because of all the sugar it does eat. This ass has pals that are friendly. My ass is always running around with my pussy. My ass is mild, but feed it beans and it becomes wild. Ride my ass as hard as you can.
What?
Prove it, and you'll be a real man. My ass is washed
I'm
and
a boy.
clean.
We'll be a
If
boy
it was
dead forever.
dirty, playing with it would be rather obscene.
Ew!
Done with my ass? Move on to the next thing that will make you shocked. Would you like to play with my big fat cock?
What a... Foolery, you're doing too much!
Would you like to play with my ass?
No.
Written by
No.
Gary Garvin, narrated by Foolery.
Yeah, the story has
Wonder
stopped.
what Lucy wants you to play with next. I believe she was teasing it there.
Oh
So,
my
you'll have to
god.
wait till the next episode.
Yo. These stories are something else. As I stated before, it's fiction. It's just for entertainment and laugh. You feel me? Nothing personal. Don't take it personal. Just have a laugh. Now, if you had a laugh or if you didn't have a laugh and your face look like this, still give the video a thumbs up. Still share the video, help me grow the channel. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell. Until next time, walk good.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.